Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to break down how to create a logo using Canva. Now I'm going to be straight and upfront. I am using the Canvo Pro version, but I'm only going to use the free aspects of it to a point, and then there's a key pro feature that you could benefit from that I'll point out, but for most of the video I'll keep it very free, so it's just kind of like you're using regular Canva. So first, we have to select a template, and the best thing about Canva is that you can just directly go to logo. They have so many templates to work with, and they're pretty easy to use, and it's really left up to you to be creative and to have this logo match your brand. So we go to templates, hit logo. And right off the bat, you see things that you could possibly work with as is. Like if it had your actual name in there, you could just go straight ahead and begin. So I mean, you have basically what you need from a logo, some type of image, something that represents your brand, and then you can play around with the text below it, which would be of course the name of your logo, the name of your business, and then having like some type of tagline or something to point out what your business is. So like this one is Lush Lashes Beauty Center. So it tells you what it is. So those are really the main elements that you want from any logo, and these are all just about free to use. So let me see. Let me start with, let's go with probably the most simple one of all. So good thing is that Canva now shows you the colors, so like you get a layout of what the palette is, and then different fonts that they'll be using in there, which will be good going forward, especially if you plan to stick with this logo. It's good to know the fonts and the colors that you're using just to use for the rest of your branding, because it starts with your logo, and then you need business cards and posters and shirts and whatever it is. So it's good to know the different aspects of this logo. So we're going to use this template. So now that we've chosen a template that we can work with, a quick tip for you, I would advise that you just kind of make copies as you go along, just so that you're able to kind of play around with colors and text. You might start here and end up somewhere else. So we go here to copy page and just keep copy, so at least have like an original version of what you're working with, and then you're able to see differences or maybe something that you want to change, and then go from there. So if you've never used Canva before, these elements are all things that you can change. The images are drag and drop, or you can just hit a picture and it just adds it to the design template. Same thing with text. You're able to change the color, you're able to change the font size, you're able to change the actual font. So you can be really creative with this. I mean, you might want to stick to what you have, or, so if you wanted to change this to Leaf Co. Forest fashion. You can stick with the text that you have, or you can change it. If you want to change the color, highlight the text, hit this text color button, and it gives you the different color options. If you're not seeing a color that you like, hit new color and it will lay out basically the entire palette. If you know the code that you're working with, you're able to copy and paste it right here, and it brings it right up for you. So, and if you don't know the colors, if you kind of scroll over, it does tell you what the codes are. And that's good to use just to have a copy. If you're just using exactly what's in Canva, you can now have the color codes that you can share with whoever is going to be doing the rest of your branding if necessary, just so that all the colors remain the same. And I'm saying color code, but someone knows what the right color, the name of this thing is. So just leave that in the comment. not as smart as you. So, you know, if you want to change the color, highlight, there you go. And let's say you want to change the image. You're not really into this leaf here for leaf color, even though it does work perfectly. Hit elements, and now you're given a library of other elements that you can use here. If you even have characters here that are for free, you know, even focused on different themes. So maybe that leaf is not leafy enough for you. Let's go with one of these. This looks nice. Remove it. Just hit delete and it's gone. And now we've created something that's more for us, right? That kind of centered. Always look like Canva always gives you those lines to make sure everything is centered. And now we got something that's more us, and we started with a template. So Canva is really flexible and gives you lots of options, and these are all free. So you just find what works with you, find the colors, you know, you make it your own, and then you're able to download this file and keep it. So one of the things that you get from having the Pro version is that you can now keep your background transparent. And I don't know why you'd want to have lower quality of anything, but let's say that's not gonna look so great. Let's use something lighter. It's not great, but just to show you, you're able to download and keep this. So like that, no matter what color you use in the background, it will keep it transparent, which is important. So when you're using your logo on different elements, you know, let's say you put on your letterhead, or as I said, your business card, whatever it is, you can now keep your background transparent and not worry that you're gonna copy this grayish area anymore. Or if you're using the free version, just keep your background white. Just keep it plain. Technically, it will come out transparent, unless, of course, you need to use a different color background. So, that's one of the benefits of using the free version. The Pro version. And then a key feature is that if you wanted to make the logo, right now it's 500 by 500. In the Pro version, you're able to resize to whatever other version you like. Maybe you want to make it larger so you can use it on a poster without losing pixels. So you don't get this in the free version. So if you do want to be able to resize and keep it from looking all blurry, then you definitely want to be able to resize. So that's a huge function that you only get in Canva Pro. But for now, you can just download your transparent file. Always, I tend to always go with PNG. It's just the highest quality you can get for this file. Another cool thing that you can do in Canva is to animate it. So you can create like little giffies, or, you know, did I say giffies? You can create a GIF from your logo right from the bat. This is great for maybe you're going to use it on social media to introduce your new logo, and Canva allows you to download this in video. So that's a great feature to use. I think this is also available in the free version. So that's just a cool tip that if you're trying to, you know, kind of stand out with your logo on social media or on your website, you are able to even animate it right here, even before you leave Canva. So that's it. That's how you make a logo in Canva. It's super easy. It takes less than 10 minutes, and you can have a logo that looks like it was created by a top-notch designer. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If this was a good video, please leave a thumbs up or comment. Thanks for watching.